What new technologies are used for sustainable harvesting and monitoring? Imagine being able to watch forests and oceans from space or listen to the sounds of wildlife without disturbing them. That's what new technology makes possible today. These tools help us use natural resources wisely and protect biodiversity. Overexploitation, or taking too much from nature, can harm species and ecosystems. That's why scientists and conservationists turn to these innovations to keep an eye on the health of our environment. Satellites and drones are at the forefront. Satellites orbit high above Earth, capturing images of forests and oceans every day. They help spot illegal logging or fishing activities quickly. Drones can fly low over forests or coastlines, mapping tree density or tracking animal populations. They can do this in just minutes, covering large areas without disturbing wildlife. These tools give real-time data, so managers can act fast if something is wrong. Artificial intelligence is another game changer. It can analyze huge amounts of data from satellites, sensors, and field reports. AI can predict how populations of animals might change or when a forest might need restoration. It can even identify species from pictures or sounds, helping monitor biodiversity without catching or disturbing animals. This way, scientists can set sustainable harvest limits based on accurate, up-to-date information. Environmental DNA, or eDNA, is a clever method. It involves collecting genetic material from water or soil. For example, by sampling water from a river, scientists can tell which fish or amphibians live there. This method is non-invasive and very effective for tracking rare or endangered species. It also helps see how harvesting affects populations over time. Genetic tools can also reveal how diverse a species is genetically, which is key for its resilience. New harvesting techniques also help reduce damage. In forestry, GPS-guided machinery and careful planning ensure only selected trees are cut. This minimizes harm to the surrounding environment, allowing forests to recover naturally. Laser technology called light detection and ranging, or LiDAR, creates detailed 3D maps of forests. These maps show how much biomass or carbon is stored in trees, helping plan harvests that don't overcut. Bioacoustic monitoring uses automated recorders to listen to wildlife sounds. Bird calls or frog croaks are recorded and analyzed to see which species are present and how they're doing. This helps track biodiversity changes after harvesting or restoration efforts. All these tools work together to make resource use smarter and more sustainable. They help set harvest limits based on scientific data, prevent illegal activities, and support habitat recovery. By using these technologies, we can meet human needs without harming the ecosystems that sustain us all. They mark a shift from old, destructive methods to smarter, more careful management of our natural world.